going on, everybody? Pastor Gibson here, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files between Google Drive, like upload them, get the share link, and send them to your buddy, and so that way they can download them. So, alright, here we go. So what you want to do is open your browser of choice. Mine is Edge. And then, so you see this box with 9 dots. It says Google Apps. You want to click that, and then you want to click the triangle that says Drive with it. Alright. It's going to take you straight to Google Drive. It's a free service that allows up to, like it shows here, actually it shows, yeah, it says 12 gigs out of 17 gigs of use. So it allows about 20 gigs per account of free use, and then you can like buy a subscription with Google Drive, with Google to extend your drive space, unless you just like delete some old files here. Like I could delete a bunch of these folders and I could have so much more space. Like I actually don't even need this, so I could just delete this and remove. Yeah, okay, sorry, but I'm kind of blind. Anyway, so now that I did that, it might take some time to get rid have it show that there's more storage to be had. But anyway, so basically, like, to upload a file, you just want to go to new, and you want to go to file upload, and then this is my recording I have right here. I'm going to, do I have anything that I can just upload? Hold on. Yeah, I do. I have this. Okay, but that it's just these two mixed together. But either way, I'm gonna show you this time how to do it with the proper commentary, because I just cut out all that right there. So once you're on Google Drive, you're going to want to click the plus new button right here below where it says drive and my drive right here. You want to click the file upload, and you want to pick your video of choice. This is my current recording right now, and it won't do anything really besides just cut it right here. If you upload it right now, before you stop recording. So make sure you stop recording and then you upload your video, or if you have a document you want to send to a staff member of like an office space or whatever, make sure you have that saved, and then you can send it to the Google Drive or your preferred cloud storage. This would work on any other cloud storage, and if you want other tutorials on other cloud storages, make sure you hit that like button below. Comment down below what cloud storage you want it tutorial on, and I'll get that out for you guys. So anyway, you just select your file. It'll upload like so. It says it's already here, so I'm just gonna say no. And so basically, if you just refresh, it'll be your current one under quick access, and then you just want to right click and you want to click share, and then you're going to do a little bit of adjusting here. So you want to click so share, and then you want to click there's like a little thing here, but then you want to have you want to change this, and you want to say anyone with this link I think they can view it, and then you want to copy the link and send it via however you need to, with email, Discord, Skype, whatever you need to use it, need to send it through. But also if you're just sending it through email, emails can have quite a large amount of storage space to be had with it. But yeah, just send it through however you need to. And actually that's it for this tutorial here, guys. So again, if you like this video, hit the like button down below. If you're new here to the channel, subscribe. I do a bunch of gaming videos and tutorials. And comment down below what other tutorials you like cloud storages or any other type of tutorials that's tech related or anything like that. Down below, comment those, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, until then, this has been Pastor Gibson. I'm signing out. Peace.